Hello, I'm here with Umesh Mahajan, the CEO of Avi Networks. Avi is one of the newest partners to join Cisco's application-centric infrastructure ecosystem. Umesh, thank you for joining us. You recently came out of stealth mode. Congratulations. So maybe you can share what is it that Avi Network does in your company today.
Thank you so much, Sashi. Really excited to be here at Cisco today. We launched our company, Avi Networks, on December 10, 2014, which was last week. And the information we've gotten and the input we've gotten has really been exciting for us. So at Avi Networks, we are the cloud application delivery company. For our enterprise customers, we provide an hyperscale approach to application delivery. By that I mean is our application delivery solution can run on any infrastructure at any scale, small to very large. And it can run for applications running on-prem and on the public cloud. So that's what we provide for our enterprise customers. What we've done is we've taken a software-defined approach to application delivery. In essence, that means we have a centralized controller, a single point of management and policy, and distributed service engines that can elastically scale out. Avi Networks is the only company, or the first company in application delivery segment where we've integrated real-time analytics in conjunction with our ADC functionality so that we can have a pulse on the application health and the end-user experience. And this allows us to guarantee end-user experience. This is unique in this market segment. We are really excited about the acceptance of our solution. We have been shipping since September of 2014 this year. We have about a dozen customers in production and in pilot, and we continue to get a lot of interest in our solution with other customers.
That's wonderful. So welcome on board the ACI ecosystem, first of all. And let's talk a little bit about the joint solution. How is Avi integrating with Cisco ACI, and what is the solution that customers can expect as a result of this partnership?
So first of all, we are very honored and privileged to be an ACI partner, both on the technical side and on the go-to-market side when it comes to integration and partnership with Cisco, ACI, and APIC. So our joint solution with Cisco ACI APIC, Cisco ACI APIC, provides the networking elements at the layer 2, layer 3 side. We come in and provide network services at the layer 4 to layer 7 side. As applications are turned on, we can provide application delivery services at the layer 4 to layer 7 level. Secondly, as customers look to move to the cloud infrastructure, there they have requirements of agility, automation, simplicity, elastic scale, work in different kind of cloud environments, and our joint solutions, we are very comfortable will be able to address those requirements.
Wonderful. So when we look at some of these joint solutions and we target them at customers, what is the profile of these customers that you're initially targeting with the joint solution?
I think we are very well aligned with Cisco customers because Cisco, being the largest vendor, covers the entire spectrum of data center customers. So first, I think, is the large enterprise. They're looking to build out private clouds. As they look to build out private clouds, they want to bring some of the virtues of the public cloud into their data centers. That means on-demand, elastic scale, as a service kind of environment. So that's where our platform shines. As we integrate along with ACI and APIC, we are able to offer services on demand. As they turn on applications, we can provide the services. Once they turn off the applications, you can turn off our services too. So that's what they really like. Second is when people are looking to do hybrid cloud. When they're looking to do hybrid cloud, they want to have the same kind of an infrastructure on-prem as they want on the public cloud side. That's where, again, we can provide those services over there. With our controller, you can have a single point of management in conjunction with the APIC controller. But at the same time, you can spin up our delivery engines on-prem and even in the public cloud. So one point of control, but you can have applications running on-prem and in the public cloud with exactly the same experience, exactly the same visibility and analytics. They like that. Third is the e-commerce and SaaS customers. These are the guys who have very dramatic increase in requirements and bandwidth requirements, a little bit before Thanksgiving all the way till Christmas. And today, when they go out and deploy their application delivery infrastructure, they have to plan ahead for this peak, and throughout the year it's not used. we have a software solution. So when they need a peak load at this time, they can just turn off additional capacity with our solution. Post Christmas, when they don't need it, they can just turn it down. So they like our solution for that. So the other aspect they really want is end user experience. For them, if end users are not happy, they'll move on to another website or another vendor and move on from there. So we can give them in detail, in real time, what is the end user experience. So they like us for that. Fourth and not the least is the commercial customers and mid-market. These guys have a small staff. They don't have the expertise to go deploy an ADC and a lot of analytics, visibility tools, different appliances, put all the information together and make sense. With our integrated approach, they get all in one solution, and they really love it because it really makes them much more productive.
So it looks like there is a lot of complementary approach to this solution with the APIC, as well as potentially down the line with Cisco's intercloud strategy. You talked about the value of this joint solution. How is this getting rolled out? What do you see happening over the course of the next 12 months or so? What can customers expect?
So I think, customers, first of all, as customers are looking to move in one form or another into some kind of cloud infrastructure, it could be private cloud, hybrid cloud, or public cloud. So we want to offer jointly with Cisco the capability so that they can do it in an easy fashion. They can accelerate the cloud adoption, reduce risk as they turn on applications, whether on-prem or off-prem, and also reduce the operational costs, because that's where some of the challenges are for our customers. I think that's going to happen. Second is, as the joint solution gets deployed, because we have a real-time visibility and analytics, they immediately know the application health and the end user experience. That is very, very critical for the productivity of the operational teams. Everybody's looking for that. I think jointly we can provide that in conjunction with the ACI APIC platform. So that's really going to help our customer. Third, we want to jointly test and pre-validate solutions and use cases so the customers feel like, hey, this is all going to work in their environment and specific use cases they're going to deploy. They don't have to spend time doing all that testing and worrying whether it'll work for the environment. So we will provide that jointly with Cisco.
Wonderful. So it looks like it's going to be an exciting 12 months ahead. On behalf of Cisco, I'd like to thank you for being a partner, and we look forward to some of these joint solutions that we talked about rolling out at scale, delivering the benefits to our joint customers as well. So that was Umesh Mahajan, CEO of Avi Networks, joining us here to talk a little bit about the joint solutions that Avi and Cisco are bringing to the table. You can find more information about this at cisco.com/go/ACI or at Umesh's website at avinetworks.com. Umesh, thank you again for joining us, and it was great to have you share this information.
Thank you so much, Sashi, and I look forward to working closely with you and Cisco and the partnership we have on the ACI APIC side.
Thank you. Thanks for watching.